Okay, we're going to show you how to change the hard drive in the new PoolWarden Plus. So if you look at the actually inside front panel and this communication card, we've got this micro SD, which is the hard drive. So you pull it out. When you put it back in, be careful not to bend it or force it, but slide it in gently so it doesn't damage the card. Otherwise, your PoolWarden Plus will not work properly. Now, you may have a different version which would have this connector here in front of the card, which then means you have to take out these screws, pull the communication card out, then change the hard drive and put it back together.